Hey guys, Gavin here, and today we're going to be doing a video of this 42-inch Kennesaw ceiling fan. It's an LED light bulb. As you can tell, I got this from Home Depot today. My sister has another one of these fans, but they have pink, the blades painted pink. It's in my sister's room, but I've got another one of the Kennesaws. For my collection. I'm gonna putting this up here, and that's gonna replace this fan here. See ya. This is all. And we are gonna install it. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.